Hello, my name is Sandro and welcome, beautiful people. I'm here to do the last segment on the Warmboard system here. For those of you that maybe don't or didn't watch some of the previous videos that I did, I'm just going to explain to you real briefly what the Warmboard system is. The Warmboard system, it replaces a conventional radiant floor system. Conventional is, it'd be your joist, your subfloor, if it's 3/4 plywood, 5/8 plywood, and then 1.5 inches of topping, and your piping actually going on the top of the plywood, and then they pour 1.5 inches of concrete topping mix on there. That constitutes your typical or conventional radiant system for heating, obviously. So what the Warmboard does, it replaces the plywood, it replaces the concrete on top of, which I really like, because I don't have to get concrete everywhere, which the guys like to do, unfortunately. So you have your joist. Instead of your plywood on there, the Warmboard system goes on. The Warmboard is 1.5 inches thick. It is a plywood base, and what they routed out grooves in it for the piping to sit in, and they embossed it with an aluminum embossing on it. So basically what that does is it drives the heat up instead of the heat going down. It warms everything up 7 times faster and cools down 7 times faster than a conventional system. You're not heating up all that concrete or driving some of that heat down into the floor joist, which is doing absolutely nothing. So this is actually being way more effective and efficient by pushing that heat up. You get the heat on. It's almost as fast as a forced air system, as what they say anyway. So look at some of my previous videos, and you can see some of the pictures there, see what the Warmboard looks like, and what I've done and what I've talked about in those videos themselves.